I don't want the Easter egg to get in the way of learning essential skills in digital arts. But one of the essential skills for an artist is to see things differently. And this, what you're looking at, is exactly what I'm trying to help you find. Because this is one of the keys to moving on in your egg hunt. Because if you look at this a little differently, you begin to see that this is just a little simple icon. That's it, right there. Actual size. Well, actual size for me on your computer, that's the actual size. Now, I don't want you copy and pasting it here. And I certainly don't want you to copy and paste it from right here. Because if you succeed in making this pattern, I'm going to ask where you found this image, because I want you to copy and paste it from a specific source on your computer, because that's what I've been pointing at, and really the evidence has been there since the beginning of this Easter egg hunt. And from the beginning, when I found this and copied and pasted it into Photoshop, which is what this is. This is just a copy and paste. You can play in class, but not during class. I trimmed 1 pixel off each of the sides because they were distracting. It was not a very well-made JPEG, so the edges were a different color and had like a little discolored line around it. So I got rid of 1 pixel. Image canvas size. That's the way you do it. These are the skills I've been trying to help you learn. And when you make this pattern, I think you notice this image right here is not, this image right here. But it is. It's 4 of them. But you have to learn how to make patterns. You can't learn how to make patterns until you're done with Reboot Camp, and then you move into the SCO question. You learn a little bit about patterns, and I've already taught you things like move and reflect and all the rest of those cool things. You know, they come into play when making this. It's amazing, wouldn't you say? Just saying. So put this in the back of your mind, because you obviously haven't seen the clue yet. Maybe your subconscious needs to do some work. Work on something else. See what happens. But you can't play during class. Nobody gets that yet.